Are you looking for the best chiropractor in McHenry? Well, I'm glad you found us here at Evolve Chiropractic. And I want you to know that when it comes to the best chiropractor, there really is no such thing. State law even prohibits any doctor's office from saying so. See, there really is no best everything for everyone, and especially in healthcare. Any two people, even if they have the same condition, have different needs and respond completely differently than the next person. And that's true for neck pain, low back pain, sciatica, headaches, you name it. You see, there's so many different reasons or causes for those conditions, and we have so many variables as human beings that there really is no cookie cutter approach to finding out what one thing is going to work out best for you. So it's really important, and which is why we put such an important emphasis on making sure that we do a thorough history, we do a spinal exam, we do a postural assessment, a functional evaluation, and if necessary, x-rays right on the very first visit. Having that precise diagnosis helps us to identify what that root cause is. And once we identify the root cause, we can actually start addressing the problem. The next step really is to make sure that we use the right tools and the right therapies to get people better. There's a lot of different offices out there that have basically one approach, and they expect everybody else to fit into that approach. Here at Evolve Chiropractic, honestly, we've got a big bag of tools over here and different therapies that allow us to cater the things that we do to each individual's need to address that underlying and that root problem. This approach helps us to create lasting relief and get people out of that vicious pain cycle of just temporary relief. So while you may be looking for the best chiropractor in McHenry, it's probably best to look for somebody who's going to take their time, find out what's really wrong, and give you the best options. So that way you can feel better, function better, and ultimately live better. Don't you think?